Hello everyone and welcome to a software installation video on this YouTube channel. My name is JamesTheITGuy, and in this YouTube video I will be showing you how to install the Quik mobile app on a smartphone device. This tutorial will be specifically for how to install the Quik mobile app on an Android device, so I'll just be walking you through how to do that. But to give you some brief background on the Quik mobile app, the Quik mobile app is used on a GoPro device. Essentially, it's used to update your GoPro when you first unbox the device and then when you first start it up. And then you can use some of the premium features in there. It has some subscriptions, like it'll allow you to save to the cloud, it'll allow you to tweak videos. There's other features in the app as well, but this will just be a basic installation on how to install the Quik mobile app. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go to Google Play, which I have in a folder here. And then we're going to search, we're just going to search for Quik, which is here. That's how you spell Quik. And this is the mobile app that we're going to need to install. So we'll go ahead and install that app. It'll take a few minutes to install, and it's 130 megabytes to install. So it shouldn't take that long. But once you have installed it, you'll click open. And then you get this fancy logo here, apparently. Okay, it's going to have me create an account. I don't need to create an account realistically, because we're probably not going to use the premium features. Alright, so it says, do you own a GoPro? Yes, I do. Set up your GoPro now? Yes, I would like to. We'll need permission to access nearby devices. Okay, we're going to connect the camera. So you connect the camera and then you'll say allow, or it says allow GoPro Quik to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. Yes, so they're going to allow. And most likely this does not work. Yeah, I think I have to turn my GoPro camera on. No, I don't need to. So then you have to select which camera you want for your GoPro. Well, or we have the Hero Black. Okay. So it then shows you how to connect to your GoPro. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my GoPro on, because I currently don't have my GoPro on as we speak. I'll probably cut ahead into the video and see how this goes. Oh! Yeah, I'll cut into the video and I'll get back to you once I'm ready. Alright, so we are back. I just connected to my GoPro because I need to turn my GoPro on in order to actually connect the device. So we'll go ahead and hit connect. And it apparently found my GoPro, so we'll go ahead and hit connect again. And then it asks, Bluetooth pairing request. Do you want to pair? Yes, I do. I just heard a beep on my GoPro here, so it looks like it's connecting. Pretty simple app to use, it looks like. Alright, then. Alright, it is connected. So you can rename your GoPro. I'll just say, well, I'm just gonna say JamesTheITGuy's GoPro. The IT guy. Let's say JamesTheITGuy's GoPro. There we go. So I think we can probably change it. Oh, come on. Really? I can't have like a comma? Oh, okay, so that's good. Yeah, we'll save that as a new name, so all you have to do is rename it. Save new name. And then, yeah. Let's install your updates. The rest of the update will only take a few minutes. Okay. So we'll just hit continue, and then apparently we'll update the camera. I can only assume that this camera receives regular software updates like any device. Very interesting, but... Oh, yeah, GoPro Quik will use temporary Wi-Fi network to connect to. Yep, that's fine. So I guess, okay, so we have some terms to agree to. Basically saying GoPro grants you a limited, personal, non-exclusive, non-transferable, revocable license to use the software that's embedded with the GoPro. Go figure. Limitations of license. You may not copy firmware. Okay. Updates. Okay, they have no obligation to provide updates. There's no warranties, limitations on liability. High risk activities. Yes, yes, yes. All basically the gist of the fact that you basically can't copy the software, and there's no warranties, and there's no liability in the camera, or if you do dangerous activities with the camera itself, there's no liability from the company. That's basically all the terms of service it is these days. Alright, so we're currently waiting for the update. I guess to describe what's happening, essentially I have, it's transferring the update to the camera, and on the camera it says it's downloading the update, and, oh, I have to keep my camera plugged in. Alright, so I think this is going to take I don't know how long this is going to take. I probably am just going to see if this is okay. Although I'm going to go ahead and plug my camera in, so... Okay, so 100% of it has been transferred, so... Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and plug my camera in just in case anything happens. So we'll do that. Okay. So my camera is plugged in, so it's currently installing. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video again, and then I will come back once we're pretty much ready and everything's installed. So, yeah. Let you know when things are good. Alright, so I am back. Apparently, so the camera itself is still updating, but the update has been complete on the phone, so I'm just gonna hit got it and see if we have other things. Oh, it's asking me for a premium subscription, so we're gonna hit close, because I don't think we need we don't need the premium subscription for GoPro, because I'm not interested in that. I'm assuming, so I'm just gonna go through here and see what else. Oh, we can add albums in here. Okay. Yeah, I think this might be a part of the premium. I'm curious as to what this premium subscription entails. Premium manual automatic editing tools, unlimited cloud storage for your GoPro footage, 25 gigabytes for non-GoPro footage. Okay, interesting. Yeah, I don't think we're gonna need I don't think we're gonna need the unlimited, because I feel as though we can easily connect this, and then I can connect it directly to my computer. I was just curious as to if there's anything else. So I'm not gonna show you the albums or the media. This is just a basic installation tutorial. So if you want that, you might have to go elsewhere. And because it's still updating, I can't find the GoPro itself. I'm just going to, I'm going to pause this video again while my camera is still updating, and then once it gets, once it's updated, I'm going to see if it'll connect to my phone, and then see if there's any other features I need to walk through, and then I think we'll be done. I think this video will then be done from there, so. Oh! Never mind, I just heard my camera beep. Oh! Ah, cool. Well then, I just heard my camera beep, and lo and behold, it actually shows video footage. Cool. Oh wow. Okay, that'll be a different story. That'll be in a different YouTube video. Only 9 hours. Oh, only 9 hours and 28 minutes of... Oh, okay, that's how it looks. Okay. So if I look through here, oh, it looks like I can enable a video on my actual camera from my phone. That's interesting. Okay. Yeah, we're gonna allow 5 gigabytes for this. I'm just gonna see if there's any media. Oh. Oh. No. I don't want to do that. Oh. No, I do not want to do that.
A little bit later.
Yes. There we go. Perfect. Okay. Yeah, sorry I was silent for a little bit. Apparently, I was just tweaking my camera because this is the first time I had my camera or so. Okay, so you can view media on here. You can also, you can connect to Wi-Fi as well. I think you can scan for video footage, power off GoPro. So there's a few different features on here. You can power it off, sync time code, live stream even on here. Cool. I wonder if there's anything else that I need to do. Okay, so it looks like there's a few controls on here. Oh, I can even control the bit rate, the flutter, the last video used, the 5 gigabyte, or other stuff as well. Okay, so there's a lot of features. Well, I guess I might just cut this video off right here, and because I need to experiment with a lot of these video features as well. This was just a basic installation, how to basically walk through and set up your GoPro. But I will probably do a more complex video highlighting some of the basic features of GoPro at some point. So, thank you all so much for watching this video, and I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care.
Hello everyone, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in the type of content that you saw and you would like to see more content in the future, feel free to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon for more notifications. Also, if you're interested in more content on this YouTube channel, there will be content on this side of the screen right here before you. It'll have various videos on my channel that you can watch in your next available free time. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care.